Today we are doing Ferry Morse seeds. These are all non-GMO. I think some are organic. I'll show you which ones when we do them. But we are having a lot of troubles getting these to germinate. And yeah, I know that's a strange word, but we're gonna plant them and see what happens. So
they're like cute little babies.
Yeah, I know. Look at these things. This is okra. We're gonna do one seed.
I thought we did the okra and it didn't work.
Yeah, we did the okra already and it didn't work.
Wait, no, I thought it did work. I thought one worked.
One out of 6, I don't think is the germination rate that we want. So we got one seed in each of those guys. What I like to do is I just push them down just a tiny bit, cover them up. And if you're wondering what device this is, you can get these.
A device? It's not. Really.
Yeah, no, this is a planting device. It's very specific. It's made for seeds.
It is?
Yeah, and or fruit skewers.
Interesting.
I think Mommy got it one time when she got a fruit display. All right, so we got all these planted at the recommended depth, which you noted was 3/4 of an inch. Whoa. All right. Show these guys down a little bit. It's not quite 3/4 of an inch, but now they're down 3/4 of an inch, and I can hear everyone now. That's why they didn't germinate. Well, that isn't why they didn't germinate. But the soil we're using is, do you know what brand that yellow bag was?
No.
It's like cocoa fiber and stuff.
No.
It's a pretty big name brand.
No.
We'll have to look it up.
Yeah.
All right, moving on to the broccoli. Here's our broccoli, also Ferry Morse, non-GMO, organic, right? So these ones say a 1/2 inch. Wait till you see these seeds.
They're super tiny. Are they big? Which I think they're gonna.
Oh, these aren't
tiny.
These aren't the tiniest ones, but.
Oh yeah, but they are tiny. I was right.
Yeah, they're tiny.
They look like dirt, which doesn't help.
I usually do 1 or 2 in them because they're so small. They just fall out of my hand.
Wait, where are the ones that were so small you couldn't even see them?
Oh, I don't remember which ones those are.
Oh, I think those were the
Okay,
spearmint.
again, just covering them up, blah, blah, blah.
Daddy, I think those were the spearmint ones. I think those are the ones that I crushed on my hands in an accident.
The spearmint?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that could be why the spearmint didn't. No, the spearmint's growing. It's over there. Go show it. That's lettuce. That's romaine and spearmint.
Oh, then
And there's not a lot of spearmint.
it must be a different one then. But
All
I
right,
crushed
so
a seed on
We're
accident.
sealing it in our little greenhouse containers that we got from Amazon. Pretty good price. Going to give just a little bit of an opening. Hopefully we get some stuff beamed up. Put it out here in the warm shade.
That grass is so pretty. Why can't we have their grass?
That is our grass.
No, it's not. There's their grass. And look at how nice
Dude, there
those
is no
lawns.
difference.
Look at how nice those lawns are trimmed over there.
We got to get the lawn cut. So, just to give a quick look, out of 4 tomatoes, we got all of our tomatoes germinated. Out of hot peppers, we only got 1. And out of, what is this word? Oh, sweet peppers, we got 0. 0 sweet peppers germinated. Taking a look at this one, what does this say? Cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe?
Do we have, oh, we do have cantaloupe. 0 on the cantaloupe.
No, we didn't. We put some in,
No?
I thought we had some cantaloupe. I'm pretty sure we did.
No, we had a cucumber.
No, I wanted
That's
some
why
cantaloupe.
that's why I reversed this.
No, it was cantaloupe.
You know what's funny? Cantaloupe and cucumber are actually fairly close to each other.
Cantaloupe. Yeah, I don't. I remember. I thought.
Why didn't the watermelon and the honeydew get married?
Please don't.
Why?
Please don't. I don't want to know.
They cantaloupe.
So stupid.
All right, so these are going to be cucumbers. We got 1 cucumber
What's with the dad jokes
out of our
here?
first germination. And then, so I'm kind of disappointed. The spinach, which we planted outside,
Boo!
0 germination on the spinach. I think we did, how many did you do, like 20? We did like 2 huge rows. The lettuce, we actually did, so check this out. This is Ferry Morse
Boo!
lettuce, and that's all this right here. Look at that. That's a pretty high germination rate. I mean, I think we got all but maybe 2. This is the spearmint, which is none. That's not good. So we got none on the spearmint. I think you ruined it.
I said I crushed them on accident.
All right, we're gonna have to replant the spearmint over there. Cantaloupe, we're gonna do cucumbers. Any others we did outside?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, that's it for now. These are all Ferry Morse, by the way. So I would say thus far, are we impressed or we're dissatisfied? Ferry Morse, you need better germination. Besides this, they're all Ferry Morse organic, except for this guy. It's a Pennington. So what did we learn? Either it's one of two things. Oh, this is Burpee. On this
Burpee.
Burpee, huge. Ferry Morse and Burpee are huge. So I'm not satisfied so far.
How many burpees do I have to do?
Oh my, the burpees are the worst exercise ever.
I know.
Anywho, we'll check back in. Hopefully in a week we can get these guys going. Bye.